What legal words are used in intermediate appellate courts? Imagine navigating a complex legal landscape where precise language guides every decision and argument. In intermediate appellate courts, the terminology used is carefully chosen to ensure clarity, consistency, and fairness in the judicial process. These courts primarily review decisions made by lower trial courts, and their language reflects their role in interpreting and applying the law. One of the most common words encountered is appellant, which refers to the party who initiates the appeal, challenging the decision of the trial court. The opposing party is known as the appellee, who responds to the appeal and seeks to uphold the original ruling. These terms are fundamental in framing the positions of each side during appellate proceedings. Brief is another essential term, referring to a written document filed by each party that outlines the legal arguments, relevant statutes, and case law supporting their position. The appellate brief is submitted by the appellant, while the appellee's brief responds to these arguments. These documents are critical in shaping the court's understanding of the issues involved. The word record signifies the official compilation of all documents, evidence, and transcripts from the trial court proceedings. The appellate court reviews this record to determine whether legal errors occurred that warrant reversal or modification of the lower court's decision. Oral argument describes the scheduled hearing where attorneys present their case verbally before the judges. During this time, judges may ask questions to clarify points raised in the briefs or to probe the legal reasoning behind each side's arguments. Legal standards such as de novo and abuse of discretion are frequently used to describe the level of review the appellate court applies. De novo indicates a fresh review of the legal issues without deference to the trial court's conclusions, while abuse of discretion refers to a review of whether the trial court made a clearly and reasonable or arbitrary decision. Other words like judgment, remand, affirm, and reverse describe the possible outcomes of an appeal. A judgment is the final decision issued by the court. To remand means to send the case back to the trial court for further proceedings. Affirm indicates the appellate court agrees with the lower court's decision, whereas reverse signifies the appellate court disagrees and overturns that decision. Throughout the proceedings, terms like standing determine whether a party has the legal right to bring an appeal, and jurisdiction refers to the court's authority to hear a particular case. These words are vital in establishing the legal framework within which the appellate court operates. In summary, the language used in intermediate appellate courts is rich with specific words that define roles, procedures, standards, and outcomes. Understanding these terms enhances clarity and helps all parties involved navigate the appellate process effectively.